Hello guys, welcome to Dudu's Kitchen. If today is your first time coming across my page or my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. Don't forget to give me some thumbs up. So in today's video, we are here to make fish barbecue. As you can see, the fish is washed clean and nice. So what you have to do is to slice it at the both side. Slice it thoroughly and make sure that you dip. Slice it so that the knife can dip inside and so that the ingredient can also go in. So what you have to do is to add our fish seasoning. This fish seasoning is already contain salt and thyme, so add it already and scrub it. Then after that, you go in with salt. Add your salt and scrub the salt at the both side. Make sure the salt is well scrubbed and nice. Then the next thing we are going to go in is our already prepared red pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, ginger and garlic. So we added salt into this red pepper and nutmeg, so it's already prepared with seasoning. Then what we have to do is to rub it inside and outside the fish. Make sure it is well rubbed, and you have to make sure that you put on your hand glove to avoid pepper once you go to the other side, guys. So make sure you have to protect your hand thoroughly. So we turn the other side, we scrub it with the red pepper. Make sure it is well scrubbed and nice. Then we bring out our tray and we put some parchment paper inside the net and we arrange the fish on top. Make sure the fish and the remaining pepper go in again, and make sure you scrub the last pepper on top, including the head, inside and everywhere. Make sure it is well scrubbed, and let's put it in the oven and allow it to bake. Then we go back to our socks. Then we add some groundnut oil and onions. Fry the onions until it is well fried and nice. Make sure you stir it and make sure your eye is close by. Then the next thing we are going to do is to bring out our red scotch bonnet pepper and red pepper that is already bread. We add it into the onions that is already frying. Stir it and combine them together. Allow it to fry on our own. Then we go back to the yam. We slice the yam. We divided the yam into 2 equal parts and use one and set one aside. So we slice it and peel out the skin. After slicing it, then we slice it according to the shape we are going for. So I'm going to this shape, so I slice it like this. So after slicing it, then I go back to my pepper that I'm frying. Then I added some seasoning, thyme, curry powder, ginger, garlic and black pepper. Stir and combine them together. Make sure it is well combined. Bring it down if it's ready. Then the next thing we are going to do is to go back to our yam, sprinkle some salt and add it into the hot oil. When you are frying your yam, you need to make sure you add a little bit of water so that it can be able to done well. If the yam is ready, what you have to do, we take the yam out of the hot oil because it's well fried. We set it aside. Then we go back to our fish. As you can see, it is well dry. Then we transfer it from here into a wide bowl. Make sure you carry it properly to avoid the fish not to break. Then we transfer it into a bowl and we add some onions, some red pepper, a yellow pepper, and we add the stew that we already prepared. Make sure the stew is well covered up with the fish. Make sure you arrange the stew thoroughly, guys. This fish tastes so amazing. You see this fish barbecue, it was so amazing, it was so yummy. So we press the yam that is already prepared, we press it corner, guys. The food is ready. The fish barbecue is ready. Don't forget to like, don't forget to follow me, and don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section below. Remain blessed and stay tuned. Bye.